Most people get international ESIMs wrong by assuming all providers work the same everywhere. I tested multiple ESIMs in Kazakhstan, and here's what you need to know. First, Airlo. It offers Kazakhstan-specific ESIMs with competitive data packages. Coverage was reliable in major cities like Almaty and Nur-Sultan, but speed slowed in rural areas. Most people get this wrong by buying generic regional plans that don't optimize local networks. Next, Holofly. Their ESIMs offer unlimited data for a fixed price. Setup is easy, and you get instant activation. The surprising truth is that unlimited plans may throttle speeds after a certain usage, so check the fine print. Nomad also provides flexible daily data packs. I found it convenient for short trips because you only pay for what you need. Most people get this wrong by overbuying and wasting money on excess data. Key tips: ensure your phone is unlocked and supports ESIM. Also, check local network compatibility. Kazakhstan mainly uses 4G LTE, so your ESIM must support it. In conclusion, Airlo, Holofly, and Nomad are all strong options, but your choice depends on trip length and data needs. Most people get ESIMs wrong by picking the cheapest option without checking coverage, but with the right plan, you'll stay connected effortlessly. Subscribe for more travel tech reviews to make your next international trip stress-free.